Out of my mind, is this TD mine? Don't worry about noises in the background. That is just the TV. Ah, shoot. Freaking. Let's go. What is wrong with it? Back. What's some more Terraria? And once again, Ryan, if you don't sit the blunky tail down, I'ma slap you. I'ma slap you silly. Alright, you must don't care.
What I'm trying to say
You're on your own, mate.
is that you miss Trevor so much, something inside of you won't let go of him.
Alright, let's go.
Scott now, this could haunt you for the rest of your life.
What do you mean?
Well, you might never go out again. You become one of them crazy old women who walk around all day long with a shower cap down.
I freaking gotta find where we're supposed to be going. And use some. Wait, where we're supposed to be going. We're looking for a magic mirror. I don't know how. Oh, shoot! You can't get me out. Never mind. I'm gonna not taunt you.
You'll be eating neck bone sandwiches all the time and screaming at your little imaginary dog Brutus.
Come on. Dig a little here. Look for pots or a chest. Anything. Oh, pot. Dang it. You're a weakless, I mean worthless pot. Move counts.
You march through those curtains and you look his throat in the face.
Digging down.
Everything all right? Oh, yeah. Everything's fine. Hey, did we miss the national anthem? Some fool named Brady.
Who goes to watch people sing?
Is Hillary okay? Seems like something's bothering her. Oh, no. Everything cool, man?
Shoot.
You wouldn't happen to have a turtleneck out in your car, would you?
We are trying to enjoy the opera.
I know it's hard, ain't it?
His neck is blocking my view. It's like watching a snake digest a rabbit.
Listen, it is all in your head.
It's all in his throat. Young man.
Did you see Throw Mama from the train?
I'm being quiet for a reason. I don't need commentary.
Yuck! Oh, I can't stand it. Scott is making me sick. Thank you for a wonderful evening.
My uncle's got her on this crazy curfew thing, man.
You don't leave me alone, you stupid cave bat. I can't afford this gold. Because I like some gold. And I really like the whole gold. Leave me alone, stupid cave bat. You about to get this grenade right. Run! Shouldn't have did that. Bad idea. You got 6 hearts. Grenades takes away 5. Grenades do some damage. Can I find... Oh, look, a rat.
And get a second battery and charging cradle free. New money Monopoly game at McDonald's has 100 million prizes. So in Bed-Stuy Brooklyn...
Why is McDonald's making Monopoly games?
Chicago. And in the ATL. I won. What? I won. No matter where you live, no matter where you play, the new money Monopoly game at McDonald's has 100 million food and cash prizes and 1 in 4 odds of winning. 100 million prizes, go get yours.
What the heck? So you can go to McDonald's and win money?
I love BOGO. Well, then why don't you marry him?
Mrs. Payless Boko.
You could call your kids buy one pair and get one 50% off.
I can see it now. Payless for style.
85% of men say eating right helps prepare them for a healthy future, but up to 90% fall short in getting key
Man,
nutrients from food.
matter of fact,
Add one a day
rookie mistake.
with vitamin D and magnesium to help support healthy blood pressure.
That was a rookie mistake, not bringing your potions with you to get back.
Even soap could drop my pH balance.
Only Vagisil pH balance.
I'm trying to get the merchant. The sucker doesn't even show up like is I don't know what's supposed to.
Get better intimate health. Vagisil.
Wants to settle down. I don't know.
Put more fun in your day with ice cream flavored coffees at Dunkin' Donuts. Go for delicious flavors like butter pecan, cookie dough, or new pistachio. Enjoy one today. America runs on Dunkin'.
Here's a little healthy advice. Take care of what makes you, you. Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash and Lotion. With
Oh
active
my
natural
God.
soaps used together, they provide 2 times the nourishment for beautiful, healthier looking skin. Aveeno. Naturally beautiful results. What's up with the helmet?
So how was your guys' day? Right?
And lower payments.
It's when I can make my payment. That's what's important to me. At the General, I pick the payment due date that was close to when I get paid.
Affordable car insurance with full coverage, low payments, great discounts, and a choice of due date. Get your anonymous.
Are we ever gonna win or something?
For a great low rate you can get online.
Okay, I'm starting to get bored.
I love the shape.
I got health
Women are
potions.
talking about First Response Comfort Sure pregnancy test.
Never seen one like this. That's a first.
Curved to fit your hand. A 50% wider tip.
So you won't miss.
And 1 large window, up to 6 days sooner. And when you're ready to have a baby, let our ovulation test track your 2 most fertile days. Then try Pre-Seed, our clinically proven fertility-friendly lubricant. And our prenatal vitamins have the essential nutrients you need. Now you can know sooner and no more.
Come
First
on.
Response. Now that's a first.
Is there literally nothing down? Is expanded world nothing?
I remember when we couldn't keep our hands
I don't like expanded world anymore. Expanded world is mean. Okay, I'm not doing expanded world.
You know, it reminds me of like a master chef, and it reminds me of like a monster chef.
I need normal world. This is no east.
What the heck?
This is amazing. Wow. Now I feel more like making a I color every 4 weeks.
Getting dressed up in this world.
The only hair color with 60%
The back. Dragon.
I don't see damage.
All I see is
Dragon.
shiny, unbelievable
Give it.
color.
New Garnier Olia. Brilliant color. Healthier hair.
Suffer. We can't see. Tis. We can't so he cares. Okay. What are you supposed to say? Of course, I'm restarting. Freaking disgusting. Healing potions.
Get a real online approval first.
Got the guide already here. I just wanted to see what the expanded world was like. Of course, in the name.
Relay for life.
No ending.
Cancer Society save lives and celebrate life. Donate now. And Relay
So I
for
gotta
Life
find a
.org.
You
place.
can put a period on what you do. That's fine. That's socially acceptable. Or you can put an exclamation point on it. Like new chips.
I'm looking for a fucking cold place. Because I'm living in the snow now. The snow just seems better.
Hear that? Yeah, you do. The only steak that sizzles like that is now
Gotta move.
the big, juicy, outback, natural cut bone-in ribeye. But why just listen?
Freaking,
Come in and
let's
taste
go.
it yourself right
I don't want to live in the desert. The desert is dangerous and cold and dark and... See what I mean? Hate the desert. The reason why. It's gonna come up upon me.
Right one for you on Auto.
Ooh, what the heck is that?
Dursoft wants to last longer, so Kevin Jorgensen can power through the night.
Don't know what the heck that was.
Many sleep aids have pain
Ah, shoot.
but sequel.
I didn't look at the name.
Because why would you take a pain medicine when all you want is good sleep?
How about an animal cop car? Can we do a plus?
Okay, fine. Agreed. We're gonna watch a sci-fi movie that's funny and ideally, although I'm not making any promises.
Ah! What for me? Yeah, I forgot. See, I haven't played the game in a while, so I don't. Shit. Ah!
Shows, most of which are free. It's really easy to find what you want. So
Primera. Sounds like a girl name.
Discover how much
Get
more is
away.
included at no extra cost. Visit us online to learn more.
Get away.
Some people won't
Get away.
if the jackpot is only $40 million.
Alright.
Only $40 million.
Bada beep bop.
$40 million isn't enough to get you to play. What?
The time.
Place
And so I feel like that
the
kind of shows
freaking
what the
rope.
experience is and how
I guess you're gonna have to
unreal it
freaking
feels. But I'm not sure everybody needs necessarily.
ninja way across. Spider.
It's not cheap. Like $1,500 when you're all in to get out of
I'm just gonna come out of nowhere.
You're a person who has a high PC, so we saw last year.
I got killed by the spider.
Connected with phones and little.
Oh, great.
This takes it further because you can lean in. You can also.
Alright, let me just start placing these guys down.
Things and even begin to walk around. But you do need a high-end PC that most people don't have. So you're $2,000 you could be outlaying in total, or $1,500.
So much of the criticism in the earlier headsets was just that people felt like uneasy. There was sort of a vertigo feeling. Have they figured out a way to get rid of that now that you?
It goes away a lot
Move,
with this,
guy.
but I will not say completely. I feel that everyone who's used this,
Stop.
including myself, has some point where they feel a little woozy or disoriented. You need a break. It might be that we're trying brand new technology, or maybe it's just you got screens in your eyes and you're trying this. So, even Oculus,
What?
a lot of them recommend taking breaks with this every half an
The
hour.
Oculus Rift.
Design principally for
Henry. You always get
It is
yourself into
principally
problems.
for and I think that's why they're connecting it to PC.
Why are they just continuously hurting me?
PlayStation.
It'll get back away from the freaking
Facebook
jerk.
and Google, being the biggest players in the space, is that you can use it to connect not just the people, but the places. To put you in other places with the ability to have cameras that can record, or you could be on Mars. You could start actually doing things remotely with telepresence. That's not really here yet, but that's the goal.
Well, you mentioned Facebook. I think most people started to hear about this when Zuckerberg put in $2 billion. Was that a smart investment? Like, does he have other visions for what this could be?
I think so. I think exactly that it's going to be, people think of this as a global connection tool to sort of warp around and be places and do things. But I think the social element is the big question. Facebook and Google, especially Facebook, is how will it work with other people? When I use this, it's like an isolation chamber.
Totally, yes.
You put this on and you're disconnected from everything. They've got to find ways to connect, and you're literally sitting in a space with other people with a mask on. That's an issue. And finding out how you deal with that is something down the road they got to figure out.
Scott, there are other headsets like this on the market. How does this compare?
So this is one of the lightest and most comfortable, and their apps. A lot of this is about software. Oculus has a really great app store, but there are a lot of other companies competing. HTC has got the Vive coming out, which allows you to move your hands and even walk the entire room. But Oculus is getting touch controllers that allow you to do just about the same thing later this year. And then PlayStation has a much more affordable one that's going to connect to a PlayStation 4 at $400. You can get it. That will actually add in motion controllers too. And the idea is that they'll start feeling similar.
Just
by design,
making
so
the
you can
train
hopefully
track.
get experiences across platforms.
Alright,
Still,
bump
there
you
are
train track.
exclusives for each of these.
I hope for
Finish you
Oculus
when I
that
feel
they're
like it.
Yeah.
I'm going up. That's it. I'm done. That's it for this video. But I will still continue the video.
Thank you so much.
Is that a female cactus and a male cactus? Like, what the heck is going on here?
Find out how a single decision saved his life, changed his
Weird.
career,
What weird
gave him a new
cacti?
perspective on the world. You're watching CBS This Morning.
What a leaf.
Saturday.
Alright. It's like a zip tie. God dang it. You can't do that. That's cheating, Face Monsters. That's cheating, Face Monsters. Alright, yes, I've just created a wall of ropes. This is probably the only way to look for it. out.